Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? He done changed his name and I don't even know the name of his new spot right now. Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage, Flip, Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy TP? I call him TP, Tesla picker from Kentucky. Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm just going by, making a video today about what I bought today. I bought so much stuff that, see that? I ain't even bring half of it. I got tools in my truck. See that truck right there? That black truck. I got tools in that truck. I couldn't hardly get my stuff that I bought in there, in my truck today. But I dropped some of it off at home. A whole lot of it I just dropped off at home, y'all. But you can see, it ain't a whole lot of stuff that I bought to work, but it's a lot. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing that I got was these. Well, I was gonna put these on there anyway. These New Balance shoes. These are my wife's shoes. She was gonna take them to Goodwill. I said, let me go through that stuff. So I found a whole lot of stuff I could put on eBay. These New Balance, I don't know how much they cost. I didn't even look them up yet. But I know I can get a couple of dollars for them instead of taking them to Goodwill. Here go another pair. These Nike. These Air Max. Nike Air Max, size 8. I bought these for her about 10 years ago. I'm putting them on eBay. Make some money. Okay, another thing. I got a set of these laboratory manuals. I paid $1.50. I think I paid 75 cents for this. But it's a hardcover one right there. I paid $1.50 for. I'm gonna put these together. Each one of them sell for $10 a piece, but I'm putting them together and make about $20, $25 off of it. This book right here, they come in a set, but I just got one. This one right here listed for $24. I paid $1.50 for. This medical terminology book, $39. I paid $1.50. Let me see what else. I got these dance game pads right here. See that? Y'all remember that stuff? Yeah, y'all don't remember that. I paid $10 a piece for those. They sell on eBay if you got two for $99. But I might keep it because I'm getting ready to make a theater room. And it's gonna have all video games in there and stuff. So I might keep these. These are 1-inch dance pads. See? They 1-inch dance pads. And I paid $10 a piece for them. I might keep them though. And for all you Dodge fans out there, you think you got a Road Runner, you need to have that go with your Road Runner. See that? You need to have that go with your Road Runner right there. I ain't looked this price up yet. So I'm gonna look it up, see how much it's worth. It's a metal Road Runner sign. And I hit the game Palooza, y'all. I just bought 4 games with me, but let's go to it. This Camel Up game, I didn't know, I paid $2 for all these games. This game right here is selling on eBay for $89. I didn't know it, I got it on there for $75. But it's selling for $89. I think I paid $1 a piece for these games. I'm not sure. It was either $1 or $2 a piece. Brand new. The used one's selling for $49. So if you see these games Camo Up, get them. I never heard of none of these games before. This is I've never heard of this game before. It's selling for $34 on eBay. Some kind of Roman game. I don't know. I don't give a damn. I just put them on there. Here go another. Fool's Gold. Never heard of that. $30-something. But it's got a little tear right there. See that tear? It's got a little tear on it. I'm gonna put it in the description. That's got a tear. But I got about 8 of these games. 8 to 10 of different games, and I left some of them at home. I don't know why. I loaded these in the truck. This right here, I don't know what kind of game this is, but this game's selling for $45 on eBay. Okay, I pay $1 a piece, $2 for games. That's all I pay for games. Okay, this right here, I don't know what it do, y'all. I paid $5 for this. Everything's in there. It's brand new. Everything's in there. Well, $89. Woo! If it was sealed and wrapped up, it'd be more than that. $89 for $5. You know, you guys can't beat eBay. You can't beat it. Now, you can go to some other website and say, I'm discouraged. I don't know nothing about Etsy and whatever that stuff y'all be on. I don't know nothing about that stuff. I tried selling on Poshmark, and I just couldn't get the hang of it. But anyway, eBay, that's what I do. And that's just a couple of things, y'all. I just want to go up and make a fast video about what I bought today. You know, it's a Friday. I think it's Friday, July the 15th, 16th, I don't know. When I was a fireman, I used to know the days and dates. All I know is it's Friday right now. And I got to get up and work tomorrow, Saturday. I got to do a whole lot of stuff, you know, around the house and in somebody else's house. So all I know is when Friday get here. So you guys don't get on me like that, you know. I'm old. I don't know the dates, but it's Friday. So, but anyway, I'm out here, you know, walking around out here in this beautiful weather right here. It rained last night real bad. But anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, it's just a fast video. I ain't say nothing funny. I'm not getting political, nothing. I'm just making a fast little video to load up something. But anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't like it, give me a thumbs down, whatever. Give me some kind of advice on making new videos. But, you know, subscribe. That's all I want y'all to do. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. You know, give me some little advice about making videos. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? Pass it along to your friends. Get my viewership up. Whatever. Help me out. Help me out, y'all. Anyway, I just want to say, everybody be safe out there. Wear your mask. You don't want to be locked up into the hospital, you know, with corona. You know, everybody thinks it's a scam, but it's not. Quit looking at Facebook. Quit looking at this crazy ass shit. I mean, damn, I just cursed. This crazy stuff that's going on. People trying to say it's not. It's out there. You had a guy that died last week. They had crazy people having these COVID parties where they go in there and see if they can get COVID. These young people. One of them got COVID, and on his dying bed, the last thing he said was, "I thought it was a hoax." Was his last word one, "I love your mom, I love my mama," or "tell my mama I love her," or anything like that. His last words were, "I thought it was a hoax." Oh my God, you know, just think how bad. I've seen a whole lot of people die. I was a fireman 25 years, but I never heard nobody die without saying, "Tell my mother," or "tell my wife," or somebody I love them. This dude said, "I thought it was a hoax." Anyway, y'all, wear your mask. Wear your mask. And I just want to tell y'all, you know, all these pickers out here, but they don't know, you know what I'm saying, about the loot. We pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.